Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng opinion, reaction ngayon itong article published sa billionario.com, no? Abogado.com.ph. Batikos ito ng isang Makati businessman laban kay BP Inday Sara yung paggamit niya ng kanyang confidential funds. Okay, title: Spend on security, not on piatos. Apa Ongpin tweets BP Sara on confidential funds. The executive director of the influential Makati Business Club, Apa Ongpin, took a swipe at Vice President Sara Duterte as he criticized the alleged misuse of confidential funds, saying that money allocated for national security should not be spent on Mary Jane Piatos. Piatos allegedly is one of the purported recipients of the controversial funds. Speaking on Billionario News Channel at the forefront, Ongpin supported the view of 34 major business groups who have publicly deemed massive corruption as a significant threat to national security. Ongpin connected the issue of corruption to security concerns, including the amassing of economic power by the political elite, which he compared to the problems of warlords and political dynasties in Philippine history. However, he specifically pointed to the funds given to the Office of the Vice President and its work with the National Task Force to End Local Communist Armed Conflict. Sabi niya, look, for instance, this MTF-LCAT, and the confidential funds spent by the Vice President supposedly to investigate this or that. He said that such funds are meant for genuine security purposes and suggested a failure in their proper utilization and accountability. They're misspent. They're not being spent on national security. She can't show where the money went, and what results of the investigation. I don't see them. So, when you budgeted money for security, you better spend it on security, not on, Mary Jane Piatos. Okay. So, Mr. Apa Ongpin, have you asked the Office of the President paano niya ginastos yung kanyang confidential funds for the past 3 years? I don't know yung exact amount ha. May post akong nabasa si Congressman Tinio ng ACT Party List. Ini-question 21 billion daw for 3 years. Nasimot ni piso, wala nang naiwan. So, lahat ng gumagamit ng confidential funds, panagutin natin, pa-explainin natin, hindi lang yung vice presidente. Bakit vice presidente na lang kayo palagi? And sa 125 million, 50 plus o 53 ba, clear na yun sa COA, 73 million lang ang may notice of disallowance. Hindi po ibig sabihin nga kung may notice of disallowance ang COA, sign of corruption na yun. Mary Jane Piatos. Ako, nakahawak din kami ng confidential funds when I was a commander. Ang intelligence officer ko, hindi siya gumagamit ng tunay na pangalan pag i-clear niya yung intelligence money o confidential funds. Ginagamit namin yan, mga aliases. Bakit? Gusto nyong mamatay ang ating mga deep penetration agents? Mr. Apa Ongpin, Apa Ongpin, na nasubukan nyo bang gumamit ng agents? So that kung hindi nyo nasubukan, you don't know nothing about confidential funds. Ako, nasubukan namin. Nagtatanim kami ng agents sa loob ng hanay ng mga NPA. Napakadelikado ang trabaho nila. O, ilagay namin yung tunay na pangalan. Paano kung nalaman? Di patay yung agent, pati pamilya niya. Kaya normal yan sa intelligence work maggamit ng Mary Jane Piatos. Ako mismo, yung unit ko, yung intelligence officer ko, yung mga clearing documents, mga Mary Jane Piatos. Kaya kayo na hindi nakasubok sa ganitong trabaho, huwag kayo masyadong madada. COA lang ang may karapatan na maghusga kay BP Sara, hindi kayo dyan sa Makati Business Club. Yung unang point dyan is, bakit BP Sara lang? Bakit hindi nyo rin tanungin ng presidente? Ang daming opisina ng gobyerno na gumagamit ng confidential funds. Bakit hindi nyo tanungin? Bakit busy presidente lang? COA. Pag nagsalita ng COA, kung may final decision at sabihin ng COA na may irregularidad, may paggamit ng corruption, may sense of corruption, kung ang COA, meron na siyang referral papunta sa ombudsman para kasuhan si BP Sara, pwede. Ang COA, tahimik, wala namang ano. The Constitution mandates only one agency to audit, to question paggamit ng pondo. COA lang. Hindi ang Kongreso, hindi ang mga kongresista, hindi ang mga negosyante. Kaya pwede ba, bago kayo magsalita, tingnan nyo muna kung puros na lang vice presidente ang inyong tinatarget. Wala naman kayong ibang... Okay. But anyway, salamat yung joint statement ng business groups. 34 groups ba yun? O 36? Strongly worded group against corruption. Yes! Talamak na ang corruption ngayon. Kaya lang, bakit vice presidente lang ang inyong palaging paano yung mga kongresista? Paano yung bilyones, trilyones? Kaya dapat maging patas naman tayo at hintayin natin ang COA, yung kanilang final decision doon sa 73.2 million na na-issuehan ng notice of disallowance. Dahil ang notice of disallowance, hindi ibig sabihin na may kurakot na nangyari. Ganon po yun. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa Tribong Talandig ng Bukidnon dahil ang income natin sa channel na ito is pantulong po sa tribo.